Hello, everyone. Today, we're talking about a very important question. How much money do you actually need for a German visa? This can be a bit confusing, but I will break it down for you. The exact amount you need depends a lot on the type of visa you are applying for. Germany wants to make sure you can support yourself during your stay. You must show proof of funds. For many long-term visas, especially student visas, a blocked account is often required. This is called a Sparkonto. You deposit a certain amount of money into this account. This money is then released to you in monthly installments. As of now, you generally need to show around €11,208 for 1 year. This breaks down to €934 per month. This amount covers your living expenses. You cannot withdraw all the money at once. It ensures you have funds throughout your stay. However, a blocked account is not the only way to prove your financial stability. If you have a scholarship, you can use the scholarship letter as proof. The letter must clearly state the amount of financial support you will receive. Another option is a sponsorship letter, also known as a Verpflichtungserklärung. This is when someone living in Germany, usually a family member or friend, officially agrees to cover your living costs. They must prove they have enough income or assets. For students, parents can sometimes provide financial guarantees. This involves submitting their bank statements, income proof, and a declaration of support. For other visa types, like a job seeker visa or a tourist visa, you might need to show your personal bank statements. These statements should show sufficient funds to cover your planned stay. For a tourist visa, this could be an estimate of €50 to €100 per day of your trip. For a job seeker visa, you need to show enough to live for about 6 months without working. This could be around €5,000 to €6,000. Beyond these living expenses, there are other costs. The visa application fee is mandatory. For a Schengen visa, which is for short stays, the fee is usually €80 for adults and €40 for children. For a national visa, which is for longer stays like study or work, the fee is typically €75. These fees are non-refundable, even if your visa is denied. You also need travel health insurance. This is a must-have for your visa application. For Schengen visas, it must cover at least €30,000 in medical expenses. It needs to be valid for your entire stay in the Schengen area. For long-term visas, you often need travel insurance until you get German public health insurance. The cost of this insurance can range from €30 to €100 or more, depending on the duration and coverage. Don't forget to factor in the cost of your flight tickets to Germany as well. While not part of the visa application itself, it's a big part of your overall financial plan. So, the money you need varies widely. Always check the specific requirements for your visa type on the official German embassy or consulate website. Thank you so much for watching and for taking the time to understand these important details. I hope this information helps you prepare for your German visa application. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more useful content, and leave a comment below with any questions you might have. Your support truly helps the channel grow.